guys, welcome to my vlog. My name is Lormi Quinones. I'm here at Panggangan, Calapi, Bohol. As you can see, there's many mangroves here at my back. I'm here to importance of mangroves in the environment and how it will affect other aquatic species and the people living in the nearby residences. As you can see at mangroves serves as a shelter of microorganisms or any living things found in this. As you can see, there is many mangroves at my back. Mangrove serves as a shelter of any kinds of species like takla or any crab or anything found in here. If there's no mangroves, there's a possibility. If there's no mangroves found in this area, there's a possibility that there will be tidal waves, floods, or any. Mangroves are important to people because they help stabilize coastline ecosystem and prevent erosion. Mangroves are the first line of defense for coastal communities. There's many mangroves here, as you can see. Thank you for watching, and then subscribe.